I am in Washington. It's snowing right now. I had to pull over because it was really dangerous right now, so I just had to pull over. Look all that snow stuck in there. Look how deep it is. We're in Washington. I'm in a rest area. I had to pull over, man. It's too much snow. Look. Just so you guys can see how deep the snow is here. It's snowing on us. I'm in Washington. I'm about to hit Oregon. I'm in a rest area. I just had to pull over, man. There was too much snow. And it was really dangerous to drive like that, so I just decided to call it a night. It's about, it's 9:30 p.m. Today is today's the 11th, the 12th today. I drove all day today. That's where we at. It's starting to snow. But it looks really beautiful. Looks pretty. I like it. It's just too dangerous to drive. Can't really see nothing on the roads. So I just decided to come here to the rest area and call it a night. Y'all be safe out there in this winter weather. Y'all be safe. Going back to the truck, it is. Look at this. My feet, sun. Oh, my poop. Y'all be safe out there in this weather, alright? Be safe, you guys. Stay warm, too.